Hello children, welcome to Hindi Academy. Today I am going to give an English explanation on Kabir Ki Sakhi. This is the first poem, this is the first Kavyansh in your Sparsh textbook, and I will be explaining in English the meanings of these Kavyansh. So let's start. ऐसी बाणी बोलिए मन का आपा खोई, अपना तन शीतल करई औरन को सुख होई. The meaning of these couplets is ऐसी बाणी बोलिए means talk so nicely, so politely. Bani means voice, the speaking. So speak very politely. Man ka apa khoi means without getting angry, without losing your patience. Talk nicely, talk politely. Apna tan seetal karai auran ko sukh hoi. When you talk nicely with someone, you yourself will feel good. Apna tan seetal karai means our own self will also feel good, and auran ko sukh hoi, and others also feel good, feel nice. When someone speaks politely, the other person also is happy, and we also feel good. The next couplet is Kasturi kundli basai mrig dhundai ban mahi. Now Kasturi is the thing. It's like the Kasturi is a substance which is found in the deer's stomach. Inside the deer's stomach, this Kasturi is found. But the mrig, the deer, is searching for it everywhere. Dhunde meaning it's searching. Ban mahi meaning on the entire forest, the deer is searching for that Kasturi which is inside its own stomach. ऐसे ऐसे घटी घटी राम है दुनिया देखे नाही. Similarly, people have God inside themselves, but they don't know. They are searching everywhere outside. So each person has God inside him, but doesn't realize that. Instead, he is searching for God outside. The next couplet. जब मैं था तब हरि नहीं, अब हरि है मैं नहीं. Means this is talking about the ego. This particular line is talking about ego. जब मैं था, मैं is the ego. When ego was there, तब हरि नहीं. Hari means God was not there in me. अब हरि है, when now God is there in me, now मैं नहीं, my ego is no more. सब अंधियारा मिटी गया जब दीपक देखिया माही, and all the darkness went away when I saw the light of when I saw God's light. Deepak dekhiya mahi. Mahi means I saw the light. This light they are talking about, the light of faith. So when I saw that, all the darkness went away. सुखिया सब संसार है खाए अरु सोए. Now the whole world is doing only two things, eating and sleeping. So they are happy. Sukhiya sab sansar hai. All people are happy just eating and sleeping. Dukhiya das kabir hai jage aru roe. But the Kabir is not happy because he is seeing the people are only wasting their life eating and sleeping. The Kabir is crying about the future of the humans, that how people are wasting their life only in eating and sleeping. According to Kabir, the life has more depth. He wants to a person should be go near to God to such an extent that he almost gets the feeling that gets the faith, is complete in the faith. And that is what Kabir thinks about life, that a person only should not eat and sleep. He should have much more determination or much more goals above that. बिरह भुवंगम तन बसई मंत्रन लागई कोई. बिरह भुवंगम तन बसई means those who are behind money, behind worldly desires, then it's on them nothing works. They are not interested in this faith or God, or there is they are not interested at all. They are only busy in their getting their worldly desires. Ram viyogi na jivai, jivai to bauri hoi. Without God, a person cannot live. If he lives, it means he lives like a mental person. He lives like a mad person. He's not knowing what he wants, just living. Okay. Nindak neda rakhiye, angani kuti badhai. Nindak meaning the criticizer. If you keep a criticizer in front of you or near you, then it is actually good. So according to Kabir, Nindak Neda Rakhiye means Neda meaning near yourself, keep the criticizer. Angani Kuti Badhai. Angani means near around your compound or near your surroundings. Kuti Badhai. Bandhai means keep him there. Bin Saban Pani Bina Nirmal Karai Subhai means without soap, without water, that criticizer will make your yourself, your soul clean. By if you he will criticize you and you will try to improve yourself and you'll find out your mistakes and you will try to improve your mistakes. So without even cleaning yourself with water or soap, you will become clean. पोथी पढ़ी पढ़ी जग मुआ, पंडित भया न कोई, ऐकै आशिर पीव का, पढ़ई सु पंडित होई. In this couplet, saying poti padi padi jag mua means maybe the world is reading many books, getting so much of knowledge, but still he cannot become a pandit, he cannot become a scholar. What is the how he can become a scholar? Ekai ashir piv ka, only one word of love. Only if he speaks with love, or he knows the language of love, if he reads that, if he understands that, then he can become a scholar. Padhai su pandit hoy. So then only he can become a scholar. Now the last one. हम घर जालिया आपड़ा लिया मुराड़ा हाथी. The Kabir says that I have given up my all worldly desires and I have got the knowledge of God. I mean I have gone on. I am on the path of gaining knowledge. Murada hath liya hathi is hands. In my hand I have taken all the knowledge and I have given up my worldly desires. अब घर जालाऊं तास का जे चले हमारे साथे. Now the one who wants to come with me, he also has to give up his worldly desires. Means Ghar jalana means ghar jalau means burning the house. Now that house is not the literal house, it is the house of worldly desires. So inside us everyone has worldly desires to go for the knowledge of God or not the eternity knowledge. So for that purpose you need to give up the worldly desires. So we come to an end of the Kabir ka Sakhi. Thank you.